In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add custom indicators in MetaTrader 5. If you've downloaded or created your own indicator and want to see it on your charts in MetaTrader 5, this walkthrough will take you from file to chart in just a few minutes. We'll be working on the desktop version of MT5 since mobile apps don't support installing custom indicators. First, make sure you have the indicator file ready. Custom indicators for MT5 typically come as .x5 or .mq5 files. The .x5 file is the compiled version, and .mq5 is the source code. Either format is fine for installation, but only download from trusted places, such as reputable developers or the official marketplace, to keep your platform and data secure. Next, open the data folder inside MT5. In the platform, click File at the top and choose Open Data Folder. This launches the directory where MetaTrader stores its working files, including charts, templates, expert advisors, and indicators. Think of this as the central storage area that MT5 reads when it starts. Inside the data folder, open the MQL5 folder, then the indicators folder. Paste your .x5 or .mq5 file right into this indicators folder. Keeping your indicator files here ensures MT5 will recognize and load them properly the next time it runs. Now close MetaTrader 5 completely and reopen it. Restarting the platform refreshes the database of available tools, so your custom indicator can be detected and listed. With MT5 backup, you can add the indicator to a chart in two simple ways. The first is through the Navigator panel. Press Ctrl+N or go to View and select Navigator. Expand Indicators, then open the Custom section. You should see your indicator listed there. Click and drag it onto the chart you want, or double-click it. A settings window will appear where you can adjust inputs, colors, and visual parameters. When you're happy with the configuration, click OK, and the indicator will load. The second way is through the Insert menu. Go to Insert, choose Indicators, then Custom, and select your indicator from the list. You'll see the same settings window, and once again you can fine-tune it before pressing OK. If you don't see your indicator, double-check that the file is in MQL5, then Indicators, and confirm you restarted the platform. Also make sure you're working in the correct MT5 installation if you have more than one. That's it. Download the file, place it in the right folder, restart MT5, and add it to your chart through Navigator or Insert. Happy trading and testing.